Welcome to the 9th annual CID. And now let's get back to the good old United States. And let's bring back Dr. Lynn Migdal with Michel Jacques, who we all lovingly know as Francois. And they will tell us about Breathe and Flow, the holistic therapeutic ballroom dance.
To feel and to breathe the most traumatic things that a human being could ever go through. If it wasn't for my pre-training in breath, nerve, and dance flow, I would not have been able to get through rescue and recovery, which was the worst time when they're digging up bodies and you don't know if your family's alive or not. So the resiliency techniques of breath, dance, and nerve flow, if you start to use them right now, they will keep you strong no matter what life can throw in front of you. So I'm a hustle dancer from the 70s. That's my professional background, believe it or not. And I started ballroom dancing at the same time. And I used to dance with my daughters, and I was missing them terribly. And I realized that I'm standing in front of you to tell you that love does not die. But sometimes our connection to it does. And I had to reconnect to my daughter's love. And in order to do that, I had to strengthen the love that was inside me. So I started to blow up pictures of my family, and this is called picture dance therapy. You could take any picture and put it on a stick and blow it up. It's good for anger if I want to express anger and dance it out without words. You can use a picture and music to express yourself. For me, seeing my dancing daughters in front of me and spinning with them in the hustle, because it's what they were brought up with, made them come alive, and I reconnected with a love that never dies. So please, let's reconnect yourself to your own love right now and breathe and flow. And I would like to call out Francoise to help me demonstrate picture dancing with those that you might be missing.
Who can say for certain? Maybe you're still here. I feel you all around me. Your memory so clear. Deep in the stillness, I can hear you speak. You're still an inspiration. Can it be that you are mine forever, love? And you are watching over me from up above. Fly me up to where you are beyond the distant star. I wish upon tonight to see you smile, if only for a while to know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you are. Are you gently sleeping here inside my dream? And isn't faith believing all power can't be seen? As my heart holds you just one beat away, I cherish all you gave me every day. 'Cause you are mine forever, love, watching me from above. And I believe that angels breathe, and that love will live on and never leave.
and gentlemen, let's hear it for Dr. Lynn Migdal and Michel Francois Jacques, the president of CID and the presenter of the 9th Annual Congress.